Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hey girl, as y'all can tell by today's title, today I'm going to be doing WIP Wednesday. Mind you, I would like to consider myself a mood crocheter. Therefore, I work on multiple WIPs at one time because I like to work on whatever I like to work on in that specific moment. Therefore, I tend to accumulate quite a few WIPs at once. So don't worry, I use what I have, and 9 times out of 10 I finish them within a decent time period. February is about to end, and this is all the WIPs I started in February and are still kind of ongoing, but should be done by the end of February. I just wanted to make the video for the craft besties that haven't been watching my crafty diaries and been keeping up with me. Hey girl, this for you. You need to go watch Crafty Diaries. I currently only have 5 active WIPs, and I don't feel like that's too bad because honestly, I could have more. It could be worse. Like, it really could be worse. And half of these are almost finished. It's just a matter of me finishing them. You know, what are you working on before I start showing y'all my WIPs? How many active WIPs do you have at the moment? And do you think you're gonna finish your WIPs before February is over? Even though it's no rush on finishing a WIP get done when it get done. A crochet project gets done when it gets done. If it don't get done this month, it might get done next month. If it don't get done next month, then that ain't none of our business. Live, laugh, love, craft. Let me go ahead and show y'all everything I've accumulated so far this month. Okay, so for starters, let me go ahead and show y'all my mood blanket. I just started my first mood blanket for 2026. And this is an ongoing WIP, so this WIP will really be getting done when it get done. This is week 1 of my mood blanket. I will not shut up about this blanket. Y'all gonna keep seeing this blanket. It's my new pride and joy outside of my other one I made. It's an active WIP that I literally just started like a week or 2 ago, and I really love it, and I'm excited to be working on this blanket. And y'all, I thought about it. I'm gonna do, like, once I'm finished with all the rows, I'm gonna do like a scallop edge. That's the idea I have for it, because I feel like that'll be cute and tie it in. I 10 out of 10 recommend, if you never made a blanket before and you want to dabble into it, start with a solid granny square blanket. I'm not steering you wrong. I'm steering you into the blanket world the right way. Definitely love this WIP. We'll see when she gets done. My second WIP, I started at the beginning of the month and just slowly lost momentum. That's why I start other WIPs, because you will not catch me crocheting nothing I don't feel like making. If I don't care what I'm doing, if I'm working on 10 different WIPs, I'm just about to work on 10 different WIPs, because if I don't like making it no more, or I'm losing my creative momentum, that WIP gotta go. I ain't gonna frog it, but I'm gonna sit it down somewhere else. I'm started working on this cardigan. I'll put a picture on the screen. This is the back panel. What set me back with this WIP was I got halfway done with the WIP. I finished 2 panels of the WIP, and I realized I made it too big. Instantly frogged it, started over, because I also do not believe in seeing it through on a project you don't like. Don't believe in that. Frog it, restart it, make sure you love it before you finish it. So after I did that, ended up working on 2 panels. Got a few more rows of the front panel, but honestly, I just haven't been feeling like working on this. The project actually works up pretty quickly. I haven't been feeling like making no wearables, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this month, I've only really been doing like home decor, smaller projects, a lot of tapestry, a lot of grid work, stuff like that. But like a wearable, honey, I ain't been feeling like doing it. I feel like I'm gonna finish this within the next few weeks. I feel like with spring being down the street, it's gonna motivate me to eventually finish it, hopefully, fingers crossed, because I really love this color, and I'm also tired of seeing it in my craft bag. So I started these little Ransom tapestry letters. I was gonna make like a little banner looking thing. To know me is to know I'm always saying something is T. It says T, and then the other letters say real. I need to crochet like a long piece of black single crochet rows so that I can glue these on. That way it could just say real T, and it's like a long thing. I just started this WIP. I haven't got around to doing that yet. I had other stuff to do and work on and all that, girl, but I'm ready to do this, and this WIP actually won't take that long. So tune into Crafty Diaries, because then 9 times out of 10 y'all will see the process of that on there. Yeah, I really do like the pattern. I'm gonna link the pattern down below. Looking forward to doing this. This is a quick little one too. Y'all know I've been obsessed with color work lately. I did start on like this body silhouette tapestry. I think I got like 8 or 9 more rows. This is the grid, and honestly I did majority of this in like a night. Only thing I do want to add to it once I finish the rows is I want to do like a black scalloped edge, either a black scallop edge, or I might get into like doing like the peacock stitch edge because I want it to look like, you know, real cutesy. And I also just wanted to add some blue to the wall because I kind of just stick to like the pinks and the greens and the mustard. So I feel like it would be cute, and blue been growing on me lately. I love how like the black is like that pop of color. Like I just chef's kiss. Graph is actually on my Pinterest. My Pinterest is in the description, same thing as my YouTube channel name. Should be in the folder that says tapestry pattern. This 9 times out of 10 will be getting done this week. I push out rate for tapestries is pretty fast because I enjoy doing them. Yeah, y'all gonna be real proud of me for this next WIP. I learned how to knit last year around this time of year, and I only made one one finished project. I started a few projects in between, but I never stuck with them. Last week I decided me knowing how to knit and not using the skill was a waste of money because I did take a class to learn how to knit. Therefore I spent money to learn a hobby, and why am I not doing that hobby? I'm holding myself accountable to make sure I'm practicing the skills that I'm learning and spending money on instead of just hobby hoarding. So therefore I cast it on the Sophie knit scarf, and this is what it looks like. I think I'm like 35 rows in. And so far I've learned how to increase. I've learned how to do the cord border. Honestly, I feel like knitting is something I've been picking up in my downtime when I'm relaxing. That's majority of the time when I do it, not when I'm feeling like overly creative. Like this is my relaxing fiber art, honestly. When I first started, I went out and bought this cute interchangeable needle set, and I haven't used it. I'm just like, what we doing, boo? What we doing? I'm one of those people, I love all fiber arts. No fiber arts will be getting compared over here. I love them all. I want to try them all at least once or twice. I had to clock my tea and be like, you learn how to knit, but you're not knitting. So therefore you wasted money and you wasting a skill. Honey, we're not doing that this year. Like my second knit project, and I really like it. I'm gonna be wearing it like a headband. I'm not gonna really wear it like on my neck or like a scarf, but I'm liking it so far. So I think next I will be learning how to decrease it soon, and I'm just so excited. I really like it. One of my craft besties in my Discord had recommended that I did the Sophie knit scarf, and I just never did it. I looked at it and I was like, I don't feel like doing that. I want to do a wearable. But honestly, like when you're in that beginner stage, sometimes you just gotta learn the basics. Like, girl, you don't know how to increase, you don't know how to decrease, you don't know how to do none of that, but you want to make a wearable. No ma'am. I think my first knit wearable will be a shrug because I feel like it only makes sense. I feel like shrugs are the gateway into wearables when it comes to fiber arts, because my first wearable for crochet was a shrug. I feel like it only makes sense, and honestly I think this will get finished real soon because it works up pretty fast, and I am a continental knitter, so basically crocheting when I'm knitting. That's what it feels like. It feels like I'm just crocheting with 2 sticks. Yeah, this is that. I'm so excited about this. I'll keep y'all updated. Crafty Diaries is where y'all will see majority of some of these projects get done. Don't think I'm not gonna update y'all on them. You just gotta watch Crafty Diaries. Another reason I had started pushing myself to get onto my knitting, girl, is a long time ago. It's some hand-dyed yarn just sitting in my closet. Like, this would be a cute shrug. This would be cute. This would be a cute wearable. Certain yarns look better knit and certain yarns look better crocheted. Last WIP that I'm actually starting today is a custom order, but I just wanted to show y'all the color scheme she ended up asking for, and I just love this color scheme. Like, so cute. It's so girly. I love it. And she's matching her hair. I'm gonna keep you updated, but it's just really cute, and I wanted to show y'all the colors because I really like them, and it's something I would wear, so I might steal her color combination. I'm not gonna lie. Girl, I had to do a little commercial break while I tried to drink my water, and the water wasted all on me. Embarrassing. But yeah, girl, this is all my WIPs. Honestly, all these WIPs have my heart in some sort of form, and they'll get done when they get done. We love them all, and all of them is just for different moods. I didn't want this to be a long video. I just kind of wanted to come and show y'all all the WIPs that I work on as a mood crocheter, girl, because I think a lot of y'all are mood crocheters. You just don't know it yet. Yeah, girl, these is all 5 of my WIPs. Whenever I finish them, and I'm excited to show y'all the updates, and make sure y'all stay tuned for those updates. So happy Wednesday. It's actually Monday, but happy Wednesday. And this is the end of the video. I love you, and you know we go together what? Real bad kisses, kisses, kisses. I'll see you when I see you. And y'all already know the drill, girl. All you can do is what? Live, laugh, love, craft. Bye, girl.